we're trying to come up with a win-win solution for everyone. Hindi ko muna may babanggit na yun dahil hindi ko pa nakausap yung parties concerned. But yesterday in our meeting, we had a meeting yesterday sa Diamond Hotel. Mukhang okay na lahat. Okay na po si Senators Bato, De La Rosa, Senator Bongo, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Villar, Senator Aimee was okay as well. Senator Francis is all right as well. He's happy as chairman of the Committee on Local Government, which is a very prestigious and large committee. And dati naman siyang mayor ng Tagaytay City at MMDA pati. So alam po niya yun. And I believe he'll be also, we will come up, he'll be in charge of the budget sa National Finance Committee on issues on the disaster risk management and preparedness issues. So happy na rin siya dyan. And yung kay Senator Pia na lang, we're just trying to iron out a few kinks dito sa issue on the Committee on